We're going to start. But today's topic is all about business development and strategy and online learning management system. They call it scaling learning beyond borders. The main definition, an objective of what business development is all about. Business development refers to the strategies, activities, and initiatives that a company undertakes to create growth opportunities, increase revenue, expand markets, and build strategic relationships. This is all what is all about business development. How you can develop your business is all how you create the strategy, the activities, and the main initiatives that can promote the growth, to increase the revenue, to expand the market value, and the strategic relationships with partnerships. The main objective is all understanding how the business can work, the business strategy can work, or how you can explore the tactics for your growth, for your business growth, and how you can highlight the main procedures for continuous improvement. This is the main objective of what is all about business development. Then the core important in business development. What all is all about business development? As it is called, business development is about answering the question, how can we grow our business sustainably and profitably? The main areas it encompasses: market expansion, means finding new market or customer segment. Then a good strategic partnership, the way of how you can collaborate with other companies with growth. Then sales enablement, in supporting the sales team with tools, lead, and intelligence of how the business can move. Then product development support, that is guiding new offerings based on market demands. Then customer relationship management, that is improving client satisfaction and retention. These are the core values of what business development is heading to tell us about. Then how business development impact growth. The impact of growth in business development is all about how you can generate a revenue, the way of your market penetration, then a partnership, leverage, then a good innovation, then how you can brand your positioning, and how you can operate scalability. And I managed to take one of these because of it is main important in developing a business. This is operational scalability. The operational scalability is nothing but refers to an organization's ability to handle increased demands, users, or services without compromising performance, efficiency, or quality in the context of an online learning management system. It means being able to grow your user base, content offering, and service delivery smoothly and sustainably. Why it matters is because of how you can reduce manpower costs, how you can enable to meet up with schools and other organizations, how it can reduce manual work, and also how it enhances user satisfaction. So operational scalability is all about telling us the main ways, the strategies that a company can follow to make a good management system so that the operational within the company can take over and make it very efficient, and the performance can make a good movement. That is why it is matters. Why it can enhance user satisfaction, it can make to reduce manual work and enables schools and other organizations to meet up that reduce manpower cost. This is all what about operational scalability is telling us. Then there is what is called procedures for continuous improvement in any business. We can see this. That is, they call it PDCA model. The stages are plan, do, check, and act. The key action is identify issues, set goals, make a plan. That is, whenever you are doing a single business, or no matter how little it is, you can make a good business plan, as that is a planning, then prepare for change purpose. That is, the business you are doing, you just want to create a change. So then plan it. When you plan it, then the next step is to do. That is implementation. Then implement the plan. That is for the test solution. You are testing the solution to see if it is work. If it is work at the end, you will check and evaluate the result. When you evaluate the result and you see it works, then you get the result from your outcomes, then you react. That is act, making standardize or revise, scale or improve. That is, are you going to change something, make something change into that strategy you are following, or are you needing something to improve that business? Then you replan, then re-implement, that is do. At the end, you can check to have your outcomes, then act again to see if there is an improvement. Then you start following it bit by bit. At the end, you will see a good result. Then making a good, also a growth strategy and tactics. The growth strategy is nothing about this. It's just to make that the revenue you are looking for, you are getting it, then the market share, the customer base, the product reach, then brand visibility and partnership. The tactics you have to follow is upselling, one, cross-selling, two, and lead nurturing. Then in the market share, how you can make a share within your market, or how you can make a good analysis within your competitors, then strategic pricing, and how you can see if it works, then you can start following the plan, do, check, and act again. Then customer base, outbound sales, referral programs, and others. Then product reach, then a feedback loops. You can look how the loops or the feedback you are getting, the market testing. Then brand visibility, how your brand, how you make it more valuable by creating a webinars, then industry conference in any business. Then partnership, how you can join ventures, reseller, and networks. So every business did a strategy and tactics like this, so you can get a good outcomes at the end. Then our movement in the conclusion. So our conclusion says, effective business development in an online learning management system is driven by strategic plan. One, team collaboration. Two, and consistent execution. So I don't think this is only for online learning management system. For all the business as well, you cannot a bad strategic plan, having a bad team collaboration, and you are not consistent in executing, to be happy saying that my business is going. Whenever you have a good plan, so meet a person that will help you to grow. And if that business or that movement cannot make something, or that collaboration cannot take it into the consideration, so I think even if it is your brother, sister, or any relative you have within your business, you can keep them aside and make your movement forward. Why? Because you want to grow. Then consistent execution. No matter what, if you are still in a matter of something and you cannot be consistent of executing it, you cannot achieve anything. Why? Because inconsistency, you will have something what is called in any business, what is called uh, is the uh, trial events. What trial event is all about is telling us when you are keeping doing something good and you want to be rich and you want to get something important, so you will be trying it. There is a one line or an event that will create a good bond with you and your wealth. You will get that wealth within your own expectation. Maybe you will meet somebody who is wealthier than everybody within your society or something. Why? Because you are in a consistent of doing your business, and that business can lead you to get or can lead you to get a promotion of having something very important into your business growth. And also by clearly assigning roles, setting deadlines, and aligning tasks with growth objectives such as lead generation, partnership building, and learner retention. That is, a learning management system can scale efficiently and sustainably. Therefore, the task board serves as a roadmap. That is, when you assign a task with the roles, the task board can serve as a roadmap to ensure every team member contributes meaningfully to the platform's success, regular review and optimization, where it will keep effort, focus, and the result measurable. So that is all about how business development can make an impact in any growth or anything that can help a movement to get something better in business. So please, if there is something to share or any question, we can move and answer. Thank you so much.